AI will alter academic research in ways we can't fully imagine. Apple and OpenAI have signed a deal to provide chatbot functionality in iOS 18. The deal will be a component of Apple's WWDC event in June. It will allow Apple to continue working on its own chatbot, like how it previously offered Google Maps before launching Apple Maps. Apple is still working on a deal with Google to offer Gemini as an option. Coming up with a customization prompt for ChatGPT that you're happy with can be difficult. This Hacker News thread presents several examples of customization prompts that other developers have found useful. It contains a discussion on how prompts can be tweaked to provide different results. xAI has announced raising $6 billion in funding to help bring the startup's first products to market, build advanced infrastructure, and accelerate the research and development of future technologies. The funding comes from several sources, including Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, and Saudi Arabian Prince Al Walid bin Talal. Elon Musk plans to launch xAI's new data center by the fall of 2025. Musk has said he would prefer to build products outside of Tesla when it comes to AI and robotics, unless he gets more control. A transcript of an interview with Ted Sarandos, co-chief executive at Netflix, where he talks about his background, Netflix's competition, the film industry, American culture, Netflix's strategy, AI, and more. Scientists from the University of Southern California have proposed a new rule for biology called selectively advantageous instability, SAI. SAI explores how instability can actually benefit a cell or organism. Instability allows for greater genetic diversity, which can make organisms more adaptable. A shorter cell component lifespan can actually help promote cell health. Understanding the process could aid in the exploration of the biological processes behind disease and aging. You can't always pay and motivate people with just money. You can pay people in lots of currencies: quality of life, prestige, status, impact, influence, just to name a few. People value different things and want to be paid in different ways. By thinking creatively, you can pay people in ways other than money. The best way to make sure you get paid the way you want to is to pick the right industry. It's easier to accumulate what you want through time and work than to try and convert between currencies. Looking Glass has introduced a 32-inch spatial display and a 16-inch OLED variant designed to enable group 3D visualization without the need for headsets. The displays can assist in the development and presentation of interactive 3D digital images, videos, and applications in real time. They support a range of software through plugins for Unity, Unreal, Blender, and WebXR. Looking Glass provides a 3D model importer and an SDK for developing custom 3D holographic content. The new displays are thin and designed to be easily installed anywhere. SIG enables interactive grep for streaming. It allows users to interactively search through streaming data, updating results in real time. SIG has an archived mode that saves the latest N entries of streaming data so that users can grep through those entries based on key inputs at any given moment. Archived mode also allows users to grep through static data, such as files. While a lot of new CSS features have shipped in the last few years, actual usage is still low. When learning new things, it's important not to get overwhelmed. Don't try to refactor an entire codebase all at once. Pick achievable goals. While you don't have to use the latest and greatest new CSS features, it's worth knowing which specific problems these new techniques can solve so you can decide whether they're a good fit for your project. Being a benevolent dictator for life means having the ability to push or veto just about anything in a project, but this may not be the ideal way to run an open source project. The Grand Egyptian Museum will occupy 500,000 square meters and showcase more than 50,000 ancient Egyptian artifacts. CSS is adding 2 more features that will make it much easier to further avoid JavaScript when implementing animations. Neuralink is looking for new approaches to a compression problem and exceptional engineers to work on it.